Hi.
Hi.
Are you hired to do this? Pick up the needles and stuff?
We actually represent CMHA, yeah.
Be nice if you leave all this stuff for the mayor to see.
You know what? I think it's in the public safety to clean it up.
Public safety to get these people out of here. That's what it is. She's got a whole thing full of needles she picked up. Rumor has it you're still up to no good and you're on a stolen bike.
What are you talking about, man? I just borrowed this off of fucking Vince.
Off of Vince?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
I did.
Anyways.
You want to go ask him?
Yeah.
And I'm up to no good. Well, how can I be up to no good, really, when I have an arm that doesn't work? I dislocated my shoulder, and this is what the doctor did. He put me out, and I can't even move my hand.
Oh, yeah.
So absolutely not. I'm not doing it. I can't do anything.
Anyways, you tell all your buddies. There's over 200 of us watching you guys on the streets now.
You know, I don't really have anybody.
See all the pictures we got of all you guys. We got thousands.
I don't steal bikes.
We have
I just had my bike.
thousands.
So that's why I'm using Vince's bike. Like, you know, my bike was just stolen from Hine Road while I was sleeping. So.
Yeah, that's a common problem. See those girls right there? What they're doing? They're cleaning up. They got a whole bin full of needles.
I believe it.
Yeah. A whole bin full of needles.
I don't touch that kind of crap, so.
Yeah. Where's Lindsay living?
Lindsay is homeless.
I know she's homeless,
She's
but
all over the place.
she's got to sleep somewhere at nighttime.
Usually you'll find her on either on Hine or down in the pink apartments there.
On Mills.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody said she's hanging out at the Clausen place in Clausen and Rutland Road, and I said I didn't think so, but she needs to go for help.
Yeah, she does.
She
Where's
needs
Clausen?
to. Clausen is down Rutland Road, north here.
Oh no, that's Robbie Roscoe's place. No,
Yeah.
You can't stand her either. So, but I mean that's not a great house either. That one. That's
Yeah.
I mean you'll find a lot of stolen fucking merchandise.
Oh, we know. There's, like I told you, there's over 200 of us watching. But you see what's got to happen?
Yeah, well, I never have agreed with the heroin addicts and their needles anyway. So
Yeah.
you know it's brutal that they can't pick up after themselves. It's not a very hard thing to do.
Yeah, this is craziness.
Yeah, it is.
And the mayor's coming. You got lots of needles? Have you got lots of needles that you picked up?
Well, we've got a few so far, yeah.
Can I see how many?
You know what? I'm just going to ask you to not really record.
We're in the public. This is a neighborhood issue.
Okay.
Okay. We would like to see what you picked up. Just needles. That's the importance.
We've got a sharps container there that you're looking right at, yeah.
Yeah. Can you open it for me?
I'm not going to do that, no.
Why? What are you scared of? What are you scared of? I don't know why there's anything to hide. We know what's happening. We just want to see how many you picked up in one cleaning. That's not too much to ask for.
No, I'm just not going to open it. If you want to take a look, you can, but I'm not
Sure.
going to open the container.